Hey guys, just checking in on a job we're doing down here in Beacon. This is day one start. We did all our drop cloths, plastic, just to contain everything because we're doing 3 bathrooms. We have a primary bathroom we're doing in the bedroom, common bathroom, and a small half bath downstairs. So we have a lot of work done already. Becka and Kyle have been doing so much. It's given me a break, so I appreciate it. And it's good for a Friday, just to get this all done when we set up for next week, where we'll be working on plumbing, roughing some stuff in, and getting set up for all the finishes. So thanks for checking in, and we'll check in again soon.